In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Temu with Shopify. Let's dive right in and make sure your Shopify store is perfectly synced with Temu to streamline your operations and maximize efficiency. To kick things off, we need to install the necessary application to facilitate this integration. Start by visiting the M2E Temu Connect page on the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, look for the button that says Install. Clicking this will begin the installation process for the app, which serves as the bridge between your Shopify store and Temu. Now, once you've hit the Install button, you might notice a prompt encouraging you to grant permission for integrating Temu with your Shopify store. This permission is crucial as it allows the app to access your store's data, ensuring a seamless connection. Make sure you carefully review the permissions and understand what you're granting access to so you maintain full control over your store's operations. The installation process should proceed without a hitch, providing you with all the necessary resources you need to get started with Temu. Next, configure the settings within the app itself. This is where you customize how Temu will operate alongside your Shopify store. In the configuration settings, you'll find various options for managing inventory, synchronizing data, and setting parameters for your sales channels. Take your time to navigate through these settings comprehensively, adjusting each one to align with your specific business needs. Remember, a successful integration isn't just about connecting apps. It's also about ensuring that those apps are working together to meet your operational requirements. Once you've got the configuration set up, the next step involves running a test. This is where you will want to ensure that everything is connected properly and there are no hiccups in the process. Try a few test orders or inventory updates to ensure that the synchronization between Shopify and Temu is functioning as it should. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, head back into the app's settings to troubleshoot and refine the setup until everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Lastly, keep in mind that after the integration is complete and thoroughly tested, your ongoing responsibility will be mostly about maintenance. Make it a habit to regularly check for app updates and any changes in permissions or features that may benefit your store operations even more. Plus, don't hesitate to reach out for support if you encounter any technical difficulties. The goal is to keep your systems not only integrated, but optimized for the best possible performance. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Setting up the Temu integration with Shopify can significantly enhance your business operations, making things more efficient and streamlined. Thank you for tuning in. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.